Welcome back to my kitchen. Another fast, easy and simple recipe. How to make barbecue chicken the easy way. Requested. Let's go.
Jamaican. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Alright, so I have my drumsticks here, and all I did was wash it, soak it with lemon juice and vinegar, and let it sit in that liquid for at least 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and then you wash it off and your chicken is ready, right? Now, let's go over all the other spices to make this barbecue chicken fast, easy, and yet tastes good to the core. You are going to need your barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce of your choice, black pepper, salt, barbecue seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, nutmeg, and chili powder, right? So that's all you need for this recipe. Come on, let's get started. Now we're moving on to our next step. I have my chicken there that has been nicely washed with my lemon juice and my vinegar, yet the thing nice and clean, right? All I'm going to do is add my salt, my barbecue seasoning goes on, nutmeg, black pepper, chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. And all your amounts for this recipe will be down in the description box. All we're doing here is mix this thing up just like so, and I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Cover it up nice and tight, and then you come back. If you want to season this thing overnight, go ahead and do so, but me have a hungry husband right now that's not going to wait, so this is going to be covered for 30 minutes, and then we're going to be ready to get this thing prepped for the oven. So I will see you back here in 30 minutes. Now we are moving on to our next step. Now that my chicken all ready, I'm going to go ahead and take my plastic wrap off. And that right there has been sitting for 30 minutes. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and get some of that barbecue sauce and layer it on top. Just a couple of tablespoons. I'll probably put a half cup of barbecue sauce on it. And we're just going to mix that around on there. And that right there is exactly how I want it. Now, right there is my baking tray. That's a cookie tray, and I used the foil paper to cover it up because I want this thing to be nice and crispy and add that little grill flavor. So I'm going to put my chicken on here.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't.
Now at this step, you want to make sure that you have a preheated oven, and the oven is going to be on 375 degrees. We are going to pop this in, and in a half an hour I'm going to come right back and we move on to the next step. Make sure say that I'm a grease, no gravy on the bottom of your tray when you finish this step, okay? You want to put it in there nice and dry, just like so. So see you back here 30 minutes. Well guys, since you've been watching me now for the past 3 minutes, 4 minutes, did you subscribe? Make sure you do that right now. Subscribe. Make sure you press the notification bell. It's simple. Let me show you how. You're already there on the channel. Just go over here so and press the subscribe button, and then you hit the notification bell right there so, and boom, you subscribe to my channel. And now it's okay for you to go back to the video, right? Now y'all, after 30 minutes of baking, that is what your chicken is going to look like. Now this liquid that's in your container, now here, this liquid, we'll go ahead and we're going to take that off before you put your barbecue sauce on. Now that you get all the liquid off of the chicken, you're going to go ahead and put your barbecue sauce on top of that.
What's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste.
Now Now once you completed that step, now we're going to go ahead and turn them on the other side.
And on we'll go through the wasteland
And repeat the same step.
through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Now once you've done this step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this back in the oven. After 30 minutes, we are done. Let's get this on a plate. Now, this right here is the liquid from the chicken earlier before. And all I did, I saved that because you're going to need it to finish up the chicken. And all I did here was add a little bit more of your favorite kind of barbecue sauce that you're using. And we're going to throw it all over the
wastelands through the highways. And on we'll go.
Thumbs up, like, and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
This is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.